Picture this. You're in a crowded classroom. The lecture seems endless. The teacher's voice drones on, and you can feel your attention slipping away. You fight to keep your eyes open, your eyelids growing heavier with each passing second. Suddenly, the person next to you lets out a big yawn, their mouth stretching wide. You try to resist, but it's no use. You yawn too. It's almost as if you have no control over it. Sound familiar? We've all been there. It's a common experience that unites us all. Yawning is one of those fascinating behaviors we all do, yet we don't fully understand. It's a universal action that transcends cultures and ages. Why is yawning so contagious? What triggers this chain reaction? What purpose does it serve? Is there a deeper reason behind this seemingly simple act? Let's delve into the science behind this everyday mystery. Researchers have been studying yawning for years, trying to uncover its secrets. Yawning is a reflex that involves a long, deep inhalation of air, followed by a shorter exhalation. This process helps to increase oxygen intake and regulate brain temperature. It's often accompanied by stretching, which helps to increase blood flow and alertness. You've probably noticed that yawning seems to be contagious. When one person yawns, it often sets off a chain reaction. Seeing, hearing, or even reading about yawning can trigger a yawn in someone else. This phenomenon is known as contagious yawning. This contagious aspect has puzzled scientists for centuries. They continue to explore the reasons behind it, hoping to unlock the mysteries of this common yet intriguing behavior. When we yawn, our mouths open wide and our lungs take in a large gulp of air. This deep breath increases oxygen levels in our blood. At the same time, yawning helps remove carbon dioxide, a waste product of respiration. This gas exchange is essential for maintaining the body's balance. Yawning also stretches the muscles in our face, jaw, and neck. This stretching can help relieve tension and improve blood flow to the brain. In fact, some researchers believe that yawning may help regulate brain temperature. Why is yawning contagious? Scientists have proposed several theories. One leading theory suggests that contagious yawning is a form of social empathy. When we see someone yawn, we unconsciously mimic their behavior. This mimicry may be a way of showing empathy and understanding. Another proposes that contagious yawning is linked to our brainstem. This primitive part of the brain controls many automatic functions, including breathing and heart rate. When we see someone yawn, our brainstem may trigger a yawn reflex in us. Section 4. New Discoveries. Exploring the latest research. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of yawning and its underlying mechanisms. Recent research has shed new light on the science of yawning, revealing intriguing insights into why we yawn and how it affects us. Studies have shown that contagious yawning is more common among people who are closely related or who have strong social bonds. This phenomenon highlights the deep connection between yawning and our social interactions. This supports the theory that contagious yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brain's empathy circuits are activated, prompting us to yawn as well. Other studies have found that people with certain neurological conditions, such as autism spectrum disorder, may be less likely to yawn contagiously. This finding provides valuable insights into the neurological basis of yawning. This suggests that contagious yawning may involve complex brain processes related to social cognition. Understanding these processes can help us learn more about human behavior and social connections. Section 5. Beyond contagion. Other possible functions of yawning. While contagious yawning remains a mystery, scientists are exploring other possible functions of yawning. This fascinating behavior might serve several purposes beyond just being a social cue. Some researchers believe that yawning may help cool the brain. This cooling effect could be crucial for maintaining optimal brain function. When we yawn, the cool air we inhale may help lower brain temperature. Thermal imaging studies have shown noticeable temperature changes in the brain during a yawn. Yawning may also play a role in regulating alertness. It could be a natural response to help us stay awake and attentive. When we're tired or bored, our breathing slows down, and carbon dioxide levels in the blood can rise. This can make us feel even more sluggish. Yawning helps increase oxygen levels and remove carbon dioxide, which may make us feel more alert. By taking a deep breath during a yawn, we can refresh our system and improve our focus. Section 6. Yawning across species. A final thought. Interestingly, humans aren't the only animals that yawn. Many other mammals, including dogs, cats, and chimpanzees, also exhibit contagious yawning. This suggests that yawning may serve a fundamental biological function across species. So, the next time you catch yourself yawning, remember that this simple act is a complex physiological process with connections to our brains, our social interactions, and perhaps even our evolutionary history.